Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong second half ng January 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay. Aries, let's do this. You have the 6th house, Saturn in Aries in the 6th house. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring there's some sort of challenge pagdating sa trabaho ninyo, like sa office work or sa relationship mo with your colleagues, your co-workers, no? Maaring hindi ganun ka smooth yung connections mo sa kanila. Maaring merong isang tao dyan, like sa example, yung boss mo, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng power trip, no, sa inyo, yung ba sa inyo. Or maaring you don't feel like being in this circle of community pagdating sa work. So you might want na, to make some changes. Yung iba pwedeng gusto nang umalis sa trabaho dahil hindi ka na nakakaramdam na parang you belong in that job or in that career. So yung iba naman pagdating sa health, maaring magkaroon ng challenges sa health, lalo na kung ito ay pinapabayaan ninyo. Something na kailangan nyo talagang ayusin pero hindi nyo inaayos, pinagpapaliban ninyo. So, this is your sign to finally ayusin kung ano yung dapat mong ayusin sa kalusugan. Kasi, alam mo na to oo, yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na to na kailangan yung ayusin or harapin sa health ninyo. So, yeah. It's a reminder sa inyo. Okay, you have the Empress. Yung iba sa inyo buntis or merong buntis sa family na kailangan ng care, no? Pag-aalaga. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, I see you focusing on yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. You also have the Ace of Wands, the Six of Wands, Five of Wands, Justice. Yeah, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo na merong something unfair sa trabaho. Maaring pinagtitirpan ka ng katrabaho mo, meron dyan naiinggit. It's either may naiinggit na parang gustong makipagkompetensya sa'yo sa work, at pwedeng iba sa inyo sinisiraan kayo sa inyong boss, no? Or mismo yung boss ninyo ay insecure sa inyo kasi maaring they feel threatened about your presence, no? Kasi I see na you are gaining a lot of attention, maaring marami kang nagagawa for your business, for your company, for your job. You are gaining a lot of recognition. Kaya lang, meron at meron dyan na tataas ang kilay dahil maaring they will question your abilities. So, I think you just have to focus on your goals. At kung meron mang mga taong competitive sa'yo, hayaan mo sila. Ang pinaka-importante is ikaw ang kompetensya mo, yung sarili mo, no? Kung paano mo pa mas mapapabuti. May improve ang iyong sarili. I also see a new opportunity for you, no? Na nagsisimula. This can be an exciting business, exciting career, and I think this is going to bring abundance sa buhay mo. Lalo na kung talagang pagbubutihin mo, ibubuhos mo yung iyong galing, yung iyong talento, kasi rewarding to This will bring rewards para sa'yo. Let's see what else. You also have Mars in Libra in the 7th house. So this is about relationship, connections, partnerships, the way you connect with other people. So maaring meron kang desisyon dito na pwede mong, it's like you may be cutting off connection with someone that is no longer in alignment, no? Hindi na siya in alignment sa mga goals mo, or pwedeng kahit mismo sa trabaho na na-realize mo na itong taong to wala namang magandang intention sa'yo. So, bakit kailangan mo pang ipagpatuloy yung connection mo sa kanya sa trabaho? You have Jupiter in Libra in the 7th house. So, I also see an offer. This can be a business partnership or collaboration na gagawin mo for a business or for your career, or for growth, no? Pwedeng someone na may magme-mentor sa'yo, bibigyan ka ng advice kung paano mo pa mas mapapaunlad yung sarili mo. You have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house, and then the Sun in Pisces in the 12th house. So, some of you, very talented pagdating sa creativity. Okay? So, you may be gaining a lot of attention dahil sa galing mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo. Lalo na if you are being seen by a lot of people. So, if you are a content creation, people are seeing you na magaling, or someone who has a lot of, talents and skills na may offer pa. I also see you na marami kang mga plans for your future. You are building a community, no? So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong certain following sa social media na mas lalo nyong napapaunlad, napapalakas, ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo, yung inyong instincts, yung intuition ninyo, mas lalong lumalakas rin at this time. You have friendship. You have magical powers. So, yung iba sa inyo, malakas ang inyong manifestation abilities. You have friendship and romance. So, maaring meron ding person na malapit sa'yo na magsisimula as friends, and eventually you will feel a romantic feeling. Or you might be romantically connected with this friend in the future. Maaring iba sa inyo nangyayari na yan. Alam nyo na yan. I also see here na someone is manifesting you. So, pwedeng isang kaibigan na may gusto sa'yo, mina-manifest ka niya sa buhay niya, na magkaroon kayo ng romantic connection. You will feel it. Alam mo kung sino to, kung nakaka-resonate ka. You also have enterprise and communication. So, iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na makapagnegosyo or kumita ng pera sa pamamagitan ng inyong boses, ng inyong talent sa communication, whether this is writing, public speaking, content creation. You have temperance and 10 of Pentacles. So, iba sa inyo, ito yung plano nyo na, matagal na. And you're, tumatiming ka. So, this is the right time for you, lalo na kung meron ka ng sinisimulan na project for your business, for your career. So, this is the best time to explore that. Kasi I'm seeing stability in your finances. This is also growth in your finances. And meron ditong abundance. Okay? So, sa relationship, ayun na, may dating. If you're single, pwedeng you will be going out, getting to know someone on a deeper level. So, pwedeng this is your friend and ma-realize mo na in love ka pala sa kanya or in love pala sa yung person mo. You have the 7 of Cups and the 3 of Pentacles. Although, ang nakikita ko rito is pwedeng hindi siya mamadaliin. Pwede kasi magkakaroon dito ng confusion sa una kung ano talaga yung totoong nararamdaman. Is it just friendship? Is it just parang na-excite lang? Meron kasing gustong protectionan dito. Maaring, lalo na kung magkaibigan kayo. And you want to protect your friendship. Na hindi siya mabahiran ng ng romantic connection na pwedeng sumira sa pagkakaibigan. Yun ang mahirap, diba? Welcoming the unexpected, intrusive, or undesirable brings unlooked for benefits. So, I see blessings in disguise para sa inyo. So, maaring sa una, it may seem na parang, this is not good or unfortunate para sa inyo. Pero in the end, yun yung parang catalyst para to bring you new opportunities. So, for example, yung iba, example lang naman, nawalan ng trabaho dahil yun pala yung magiging daan para ma-explore niya yung kanyang talento na may iba pa palang plano para sa kanya ang Diyos, no? Na i-explore niya and dun siya mas naging successful. So that's just an example na maraming paraan para ma-discover mo yung sarili mo, and sometimes yung parang breaking point niyan is yung mga challenges na kailangan nating pagdaanan. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much and see you again.